Here is the payment proof of the $10 I earned from this application simply by not doing anything. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel if you like contents like this, on how to make money online. I discuss easy methods of making money by using technology. Don't worry, I've got you. The method we are going to discuss in this video works worldwide, and anyone can do it because it requires not much effort. I will share with you a special app that will give you $10 for free just by walking, swimming, running, and any other workout you enjoy doing. First thing you need is to download this app. Check the description for the application in this video. Make sure you register on the application if you are new to it. As for me, I am already a member, so I will not do this step. Next thing you do is click on Connected Apps and connect any of the fitness application installed on your phone. You can download a fitness app from Play Store if your phone does not have one. Downloading all the applications and connecting them at the same time helps with the earning rate. You will also be given simple surveys to answer. Each survey usually come with points allocated to it. Each and every day gives you points as you walk and do all sorts of excesses. You can now redeem your points for gift card, PayPal, or bank transfer when you reach 10,000 points, which is equal to $10. Here is the payment proof of the $10 I earned from this application simply by not doing anything. Thank you for watching this video. Check out other videos if you enjoy such contents.